Hey everyone, Alan Walker here. Hey, I want to talk about a tool that I'm using that is helping me in my business, and that's called Relevance AI. So Relevance AI is a AI agent platform where you can build your AI agents to interact with a bunch of different things. And so it's really amazing and powerful what you can do inside of here. So I took one use case that I have in my own business, and I decided I was going to have the AI agent build my prompts for me. So I'm going to share this template. You're welcome to clone it, use it for whatever you want. What I do is I do voice AI. So I build out voice AI systems for companies, and I usually am using SimpleTalk as my voice AI provider. I've just found them to be the most stable, and every time I'm creating one of these, I have to create a prompt for the AI voice bot. And typically I'm doing that from scratch, or I'm just kind of modifying a previous template. But I decided that I wanted to get a little smarter about it and use more best practice prompts. And so what I did here in Relevance AI, you can actually load the agent with a knowledge base. And so I went in and got all of the SimpleTalk text or templates that they had. I put them into a spreadsheet, and then I uploaded them into this so that the bot would understand what are best practices for various types of scripts, right? And prompts. And so then I went through, and you can define your user input. So this is all the information that I typically need from someone in order to actually build out the bot. And so you can kind of go through it here, like inbound, outbound, agent name, role, company, description, what's its objective, who's its target audience, all of these various pieces of information that are very important, and I always have to ask. And then what I do is I go through and I use an LLM. For this, I'm using OpenAI 4.0 for that. So, and I'm just going through and I'm building each of the sections. So like there's 5 sections within a prompt typically. I mean, there obviously could be many more, but typically there's 5. And so the first is the background. And so I'm collecting name, role, objective, company, target audience, value proposition. I'm taking all of that information from the input and I'm creating a background section inside the template. And then I'm going down and doing the same thing. So you can kind of see like this is the output, and this is the raw output. So it actually shows some of the markdown that I have in here. And then I've got the objection handling, same idea, like here's an example of an objection handling section. Here's what the user put in, created in the right format. Then I go down and I do the same thing for the script itself. And then lastly, I am creating one final prompt that is taking all the information from the previous steps and putting it into one main prompt. And at the end, I end up getting, here's an example, I end up getting my full prompt that I need in order to have this voice bot go. And so I've been kind of optimizing it and playing with it and seeing, I mean, there's a lot of different ways that you can do AI voice prompts. I'm just trying to use AI to build better AI voice prompts. So if you are interested in Relevance AI, if you're interested in SimpleTalk, interested in AI automation in general, feel free to reach out. And I'd love to hear if there are other things that you guys want me to be talking about on this channel. I definitely am, I will say I'm not an expert, but I am loving all the stuff that I'm learning and all the things that's possible to someone through like a no code environment or a low code environment. It's really incredible stuff. So I will put a link to this template on Relevance, as well as a link to Relevance itself. There's no affiliate program or anything. I just like the platform. So check it out and let me know if you have questions. Thanks.